When it hurts. Powerful motivational speech. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to address a universal truth that we all encounter at some point in our lives: pain. Pain comes in different forms and can shake us to our very core. It can make us question our strength and resilience. But I want you to remember this. When it hurts, that's when you have the opportunity to rise. In the depths of pain, it may feel like the world is against you. It may feel like you are trapped in an endless cycle of suffering. But I want you to know that pain is not your enemy. It is your teacher. It is in these moments that you discover what you are truly capable of. When it hurts, you have a choice. You can let it consume you, or you can use it as a catalyst for growth. Remember, pain is temporary, but the lessons it brings can last a lifetime. It is through pain that we learn the depths of our strength and the power of our resilience. When it hurts, it's important to acknowledge your emotions and give yourself the space to heal. But don't let pain become your identity. Don't let it define who you are. Instead, use it as fuel to ignite the fire within you. Think about the greatest achievements in history. They were born out of adversity and pain. The most powerful stories are those of individuals who faced immense challenges and overcame them. They didn't allow pain to hold them back. They used it to propel themselves forward, to reach new heights. When it hurts, remember that you are not alone. There are others who have faced similar pain and have come out stronger on the other side. Seek support from those who have walked a similar path. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Together, you can find the strength to overcome. When it hurts, take small steps forward. Progress may be slow, but it is progress nonetheless. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to healing and growth. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. They are proof of your resilience. When it hurts, remember your purpose. Reconnect with what truly matters to you. Let your pain be the driving force behind your determination to create a better life for yourself. Use it as a reminder of the strength and resilience that lies within you. When it hurts, hold on to hope. Believe that better days are coming. Pain may be a part of your journey, but it does not define your destination. Grind in silence. Shock them with your success. Motivational speech. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around and listen closely. Today, I want to share with you a powerful mantra that can propel you to great heights. It's a simple yet profound principle that can change the course of your life. Grind in silence. Shock them with your success. In a world filled with noise, distractions, and constant self-promotion, it's easy to get caught up in the need for validation and recognition. We live in an era where social media feeds are flooded with people showcasing their achievements, their possessions, and their every move. But true greatness doesn't need to announce itself. It doesn't seek validation from others. True greatness is forged in the quiet moments, in the unseen hours of hard work and dedication. When you choose to grind in silence, you tap into a powerful source of motivation. You shift your focus from seeking external approval to an internal drive for excellence. You become driven by your own standards, your own values, and your own vision of success. You don't waste time and energy seeking the applause of others. Instead, you channel that energy into your craft, your goals, and your dreams. When you grind in silence, you shield yourself from the distractions and naysayers that can derail your progress. You understand that not everyone will understand your journey, and that's okay. You don't need to explain yourself or justify your actions to anyone. You let your actions speak for themselves. You let your success be the loudest statement. Grinding in silence requires discipline, perseverance, and unwavering belief in yourself. It means showing up when no one is watching, putting in the hours when no one is cheering you on, and pushing through the moments of doubt and uncertainty. It's about embracing the process, knowing that success is not an overnight phenomenon, but the result of consistent effort over time. And when the moment of success arrives, it will be all the more powerful because it will catch others by surprise. They will be shocked by your achievements, wondering how you managed to rise so far, so fast. But you will know the truth that your success was not a stroke of luck or a fluke, but the result of your relentless dedication, your unwavering focus, and your refusal to be swayed by the opinions of others. So, my friends, I encourage you to embrace the power of grinding in silence.